turn your stomach on?
Oh yeah, I couldn't eat Taco Bell hot sauce for about a month.
I made her take a stomach pill before you came in here.
Hey, this is that. We're definitely back.
Okay.
Now kicking in. Well,
Do some of that.
That's good, because
yeah.
after one.
I don't even think I can dip my finger, like,
Yeah, that'd be
there's like a finger tip in there and touch it.
He's all sweating. He's at least keeping it off his lip.
Yeah, he is. That's good.
Smartest
The
thing.
chicken looks very good.
It looks really good.
The chicken cooked well? Looks like it is. You eat that third one, you have the crown.
Alright, I'll have them out roughly about 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Let him go. And he's not, he's fine. I mean, he's even. You go. Wow.
He's all sweating.
You the man.
You got one more to go, brother. And it's all you.
You will have it. Okay, if you just take one bite, you got the record.
Look how red that sauce is.
I know.
Looks like blood.
Michael, how can you make that?
Okay, he's got the record.
Dang.
He's got the record.
Now I can make it hotter, too.
Wow.
He's got the record.
Crazy. Yeah, it
He
is.
beat me and
My
Brian.
eyes are burning cut way over here from it. Yeah, he opened it for me, brought me some to give my kids, so I smelled it and I'm like, oh, it's in my mouth. Wow.
Come on. You said you're going to eat all three?
Like all of a sudden, I'm because
Hey, you said all three.
He ran a mile. Yeah, he does. He was completely dry up for like 5 seconds. I know. And then all of a sudden, bam!
Don't growl at it.
Eddie!
You're the winner. You don't need to finish that, man. You're going to kill yourself.
He's like, oh my God.
You sure?
Yeah.
Crown is yours.
Did I lie?
Yeah, you got me. It's like we just all kicked in. Like, fuck, we just let this shit. Oh. Dude, it's good, though.
Smell that spice from over here.